In this video, we're going to learn how to import and position screws. Let's go to McMaster Carr and find the ones we need. Go to McMaster.com in your browser. Tap on Screws and Bolts. Now, I'll choose hex head screws. Select Metric on the top left as the system of measurement. Select M6 in the left column's Thread Size section. Finally, select 10 mm as the length. We'll need a medium strength one. Tap on its serial number. Then tap on Product Details and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, we'll select 3D Step as the file format and tap on Save. Tap on Download and wait for it to download. Once it has, tap on the download icon and then on the file itself. In this file view, I'll tap on Share in the upper right corner and select Shaper 3D from the available options. Now, back in Shaper 3D, select Import to Current Design. Wait for it to load. Open Items and notice the new imported folder. Select it. Let's hide every folder for a minute so we can position the screw. Close Items and zoom in to put the screw in focus. Rotate it 90 degrees. And move it about 50 mm back. As you can see, this screw's outside edges are not circular. So, we need to create guiding sketches so we can snap it together with other bodies later on using the Translate tool. Double-tap on the bottom of the head part. Let's draw two diagonals to draft out the center of this face. Now that we have the center point, create a circle starting from there. Make it big enough so that it's wider than the thread so we can later snap to it easily. I'm done, so I'll turn Section View off and move to 3D. Open Items and unhide every folder except Sketches. Now we're going to use Translate to precisely position the screw. Select the screw and go to More/Translate in the left menu. Tap Next and turn on Copy. Drop down the start point and draw a line to drop the end point. Zoom into the screw and snap the start point to circle. Now, drag and drop the end point to the edge of the hub hole. Tap Done. Select the original and copied screw and color them gray. Open Items and rename the imported folder to Bolts or Screws. Now, let's use Move/Rotate to put a screw into all our hubs. Select the screw and move the pivot point to the center. Make sure Copy is turned on and create 3 copies using the rotate arrows. You should rotate them 90, 180, and 270 degrees. Almost done. Just open Items for some organizing. We'll move our lonely sketch plane to the Bolts folder. And in the next video, we'll combine all frame bodies with Union.